Hello everyone. We have to simplify a combination of real numbers which is 55 factorial divided by 53 factorial plus 54 factorial. Let's move towards the simplification. We can write 55 factorial as 55 multiplied by 54 multiplied by 53 factorial. On the same line, in the lower side, this is 53 factorial plus 54 factorial can be written as 54 multiplied by 53 factorial, which is equal to 55 into 54 into 53 factorial. Taking 53 factorial common from the lower side, it will give 1 plus 54. This is 53 factorial. This 53 factorial will be cancelled out with this one, and we will get 55 multiplied by 54 divided by 54 plus 1 is 55. Again, it will cancel out with this one, and answer will be 54. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.